This video will show how to prep for installing fire-resist Barrithane VP and demonstrate the spray installation process and techniques. Barrithane VP is CCW's moisture-curing STPE membrane used as an air and water resistive barrier. For this process, you will need sausages of Barrithane XL, 9-inch 705 FRA, one spray rig with hoses, gun, and air supply, pails of Barrithane VP, 2 empty buckets, mineral spirits, enough to clean hose, lap sealant tool or trowel. Note: Barrithane or Barrithane HP can also be used. Apply a 3/8-inch bead of Barrithane XL over 705 FRA, flashing terminations, and smooth using the lap sealant tool. As an alternative to 705 FRA, the corners and the rough openings can be coated with Barrithane XL. To do this, apply serpentine beads and smooth in place with a putty knife or trowel. Seal all board joints with a ribbon of Barrithane XL. Now the detailing is complete, and we're ready to spray Barrithane VP. Next, clear and clean the spray hose and gun. Set the spray pump intake into 1/3 of a pail of clean mineral spirits. Start the pump and recirculate the mineral spirits, and discharge through the gun into an empty bucket. Open the pail of Barrithane VP and remove the poly liner. Insert the pump intake into the Barrithane VP. With the pump turned on and set at low pressure, purge the Barrithane VP through the gun until no more mineral spirits are observed. Now turn up the pressure and use the wheel on the gun to adjust the spray pattern. Test your spray on a large piece of scrap cardboard or similar material until the pattern looks good. Now you are ready to spray the Barrithane VP onto the wall. Spray the Barrithane VP in a steady overlapping pattern. After spraying one section of the wall, stop to measure the wet mill thickness. Target thickness is 15 to 25 mils on sheathing and 30 to 50 mils on concrete or masonry. Spray Barrithane VP at an even coverage over the walls. Cover the board joint details and lap onto the flashing details. When you are finished with the spray installation, purge the hose and gun using the mineral spirits and correctly store the equipment and materials.